In this video, I'm going to share how to play Dota 2 with bots. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any version of Dota 2, doesn't matter. So, what you need to do is come on your main menu on Dota 2, okay? So, open Dota 2, and you will see right here, Play Dota, okay? With a green button, click on Play Dota. You will open this page right here. Okay, after opening this page, you need to click practice with bots. Okay, below create lobby, you will see practice with bots. Then you just need to select the difficulty of your game. So for example, easy, medium, hard, okay, and unfair. You can also select the team that you will play. So for example, DAR. And after doing that, you just need to click start bot match. Then you will play with bots on Dota 2 and you can practice a lot. I hope I help you on how to play Dota 2 with bots. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.